So believe it or not, I just shot my entire first part of the video and I didn't press the record button. So, by the way, it's like, I don't know, 7, 8 o'clock. And I was so excited because I just got these in the mail from Amazon. They're bulk slate coasters. And it's something I wanted to start offering in our brick and mortar store here. And I'm going to bring you guys along with me and I'm going to show you how to do these. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and run all the 12 of these at once in bulk. If you guys don't know how to run multiple things at once on laser, that's cool. I have a description. I'm going to put a card right here above my finger and you click on that when you come back and rewind and watch how to do these out in bulk. I'm going to skip that message for now. So I'm going to be running on my machine over here, which is a 80 watt CO2 machine with a 2-inch lens. Let's see how it does. All right, if you guys want to mark in the comments below, I'm doing based around a subject. All 12 of these are going to be kind of slightly different but the same. Guess what I'm putting on? You'll find out. Oh. Something that's really, really cool and handy. I'm gonna remote, go turn on my exhaust fan. Anyway, exhaust fan, I don't have to press the button. Alright, so I have my machine marking out these 4-inch circles on my lasers. And while I'm waiting on that, I'm going to talk at you, even though you don't want to, because I'll probably lose half of my viewers by now. If I don't know if you all guessed, but it's like, oh, the middle of September, and I'm getting ready for Halloween. So these coasters are Halloween related. So if you haven't put your guess down in the comments, go ahead and do that now. Still don't know what it is. All right, we got it all focused to the top of the machines. I got them set down on the little circly doos. And again, if you don't know how to do that or lay that out, check that video right up there, right here. And I have a video that shows you how to do this. So I'm going to go ahead and close this and run it. And that's my third time asking you if you want. Guess what it's going to be on? Halloween related. And they're happy. So, okay, so these are running. See the flash? My laser's running right now. Woohoo! I'm excited. What are these things are? I've recorded like 6 videos while I was waiting for these engrave. I was so excited to come in here and be able to do that for you guys. But my router, oh my goodness. I've got all these CNC machines in here and I'm getting confusing what my YouTube channel is based around, and that's the lasers. Okay, so the blue laser just beeped at me. You might have heard it if you watch any of my other videos. Finish and go beep, beep, beep. But anyways, let's get this thing open. All right, I haven't looked at them yet. I'm excited. Let's see what they look like. Crap. Start. All right, so these just finished up. Let's take a look. Oh, great. They look awesome. First try, too. All right, let's see if any of you guys guess. See if you guessed right what I was going to engrave. What'd you guess? I said it was no, not Happy Halloween. No, it wasn't a witch. I know I said it was Halloween related, but it's still not the 4th of July. Pumpkins. All right, so now I told you I'm going to hold my secret off to the end, and that's the engraving settings. What did I do? 275 millimeters, 65% power on an 80 watt tube. If you're running a 60 watt tube, you probably just slow it down a little bit from 275 millimeters to maybe 200 millimeters by 65% power. Whatever you do, I would not go above 65, 70% power because it will lessen the life of your tube. At least that's what I have found. If you're running a 40 watt tube, maybe 150, 175 millimeters a second at 65% power, and those should mark it really well. Man, these look cute. These are awesome. Here, look at all these. So this is the slate tiles that I found on Amazon. I was super excited to get some Halloween coasters in here, and now we got them. I'm gonna put these in my brick and mortar store. I'm not gonna put them on my Etsy shop or on our website at footstepsinthepast.com. I want to see how they do on our brick and mortar store before I spend the time to put them online. So, I'm Jay. That's my to-do list. Thanks for stopping. Okay.